Hello everyone, my name is Murat. I am co-founder of FilameX Technology.
Hello, my name is Burak and I am co-founder of FilameX from Turkey.
FilameX Technology is a startup focused on 3D printer technologies. We make desktop machines for 3D printing. We are glad to introduce our new filament maker.
This is our new flagship product, FX-20 Compact Pro. This machine helps people make their own 3D printing filaments. It is compact, easy to use, and made for labs, offices, universities, makers and small manufacturers.
We designed this system for better control and stable filament quality. Our goal is to make filament production simple for everyone.
At FilameX, we want to help people create new ideas and new materials. The new and easy way to make filaments.
Thank you for watching us.